Here are the directions on how to do RDWW, Lesson 2. Okay, so you have two choices for RDWW this week. This is the fish RDWW. This is the owl RDWW. You have to figure out which group you are in. Your teacher's going to write your name up at the top so that you know what group you're in this week. Okay? On your activity list, it will tell you what lesson to do. Okay, so up at the top, if it says Lesson 1, then you'll do this QR code. If it says Lesson 2, then you'll do this one. So you have to look at your activity list. You're going to do one a day, so don't do all of them in one day. Just do one QR code each day for each list. All of your materials are going to be in Tub 10. So if you need to get something or use something for your math journal to glue it in, you can go to Tub 10 to find your materials.